Hello, bestie. My friends going to Morgan Wonderland, a place for me a kids stay closer to Elizabeth, Ted, and Adam. It's so cute, beautiful mountain sky fountain. How building. We got a lunch snack. We got snack. We got ham healthy. We got a snacks pack of stuff. We get eat. We say this. I drink a soda, so good, fresh, cold, and crackers. Was getting grape. My mom loves grape. We call it a Morgan Wonderland. I wear that red team. I get on the train, and the Ted followed us. There was many people in line. It was supposed to stay behind here. The way people were training. Oh, finally, we're going to get on the train with friends. We are riding the train first. Are you ready? We said go. Oh wow, we go up pond. I saw a baby ducklings. I remember I was hoping to put away the babies on the lake. Isn't that cute? Right? We are waving us, giving the kiss. We're back to the Morgan town. Oh, wow, we're waving the people. Thank you so much for watching. I get on the bus. This is so much fun. I love you so much. Thanks for watching. Bye.